Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to the channel. You're watching Car Insider, and man, do I have something special for you today. Now, we've all seen luxury cars, and we've all seen heavy-duty trucks. But what happens when you decide to smash those two worlds together and stretch them out to the limit? Well, you get this. This is a custom-built, one-of-kind GMC Sierra luxury limousine. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement on wheels. It's bold, it's long, and it's unlike anything else on the road today. So, stay with me, because we're going to dive deep into every single detail of this masterpiece. The exterior design. Let's start with that exterior. The first thing you notice is the stance. Most GMC Sierras are built to sit high and tackle dirt, but this one? It's been slammed right to the pavement. It's got that aggressive, wide-body kit that gives it a futuristic, almost sci-fi silhouette. Up front, we've kept that iconic GMC chrome grille, but we've paired it with custom LED lighting that honestly looks like it belongs in the year 2050. And check out those wheels, massive chrome rims with low-profile tires that just scream VIP. Every inch of this white paint job is polished to a mirror finish. It's designed to turn heads, and trust me, it does exactly that. Stepping inside. But as they say, it's what's on the inside that counts. The moment you step into the cabin, you realize you're not in a truck anymore. You're in a private lounge. The first thing that hits you is the ceiling. We've installed a full-length starlight headliner that mimics a clear night sky, creating an incredible atmosphere. The seating is pure luxury. We're talking plush, diamond-stitched white leather sofas that wrap around the entire interior. It's designed for comfort, for conversation, and for pure relaxation. Whether you're with a group of friends or hosting a high-profile client, the vibe in here is absolutely unmatched. Tech and entertainment. Now let's talk tech. You can't have a limo like this without serious entertainment. Right in the center, we've integrated a massive high-definition smart screen. Whether you want to catch up on the latest shows, watch a movie, or just have some visuals running in the background, this setup is crisp and immersive. And for the refreshment side of things, check out the custom bar. We've got dedicated spots for your finest wines and spirits, complete with crystal glassware and built-in coolers to keep everything at the perfect temperature. The lighting in here is also fully customizable. You can go from a bright, clean aesthetic to a deep, neon sci-fi glow with just a tap of a button. Closing. Honestly, this GMC Sierra limo is the definition of pushing the boundaries. It's a perfect mix of American muscle and high-end luxury. It's long, it's loud, and it's incredibly sophisticated. I hope you enjoyed this full tour. If you're a fan of unique builds and luxury rides, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the Car Insider family. Don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comments. Would you roll up to an event in this beast? Until next time, stay driven.